Mga kaalas, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notification bell button. Yo, what is up mga kaalas? We are here to unbox some package. Stigma sent a package for me. They sponsored me. Let's go, let's check what's in the box. This is the package they sent for me. Let's check what's inside the box. By the way, I would like to give a huge thank you for sending me this package and for choosing me as one of your partner artists to represent your product. Let's check what's inside. I think there's a machine here and some needles. Let's check. It was securely packed. A lot of tapes. What's inside? Let's see. Here we have some needles, and we're gonna try this kind of needles. It's 20 pieces needles with membrane, which is better for safety. If you buy some cartridge, you'll make sure that it has a membrane. Let's check what's this. This is gauge 9 RM. That's why I usually use when I'm doing huge tattoos, because I love doing oriental tattoos. There's a lot. There are 6 boxes. And this one, here's the machine. It's a nice packaging. Professional tattoo equipment by Stigma. Nicely packaged. So, check it. And again, thanks again Stigma for choosing me. Let's check what's inside the box. What's included? It's nicely packed. Nice. Whoa. Look at this. It shapes like a missile. And when you put cartridge here, it's gonna be pointed. And we have the manual. Let's see what it says in the manual. It's nominal voltage is 12 volts. That's the max maybe. Rotor inertia, no load speed. It's nice. It's included 3 types of cam wheels. Here, the 3mm, 3.5 mm, and 4 mm. Which is good if you want to change your cam wheel, the needle strokes, you can change it. And here, it's the RCA cord. The RCA cord for if you're using power supplies. This is good. The wire is good. It's a little thin, but soft. Then it's long, maybe a meter, maybe a meter and a half long, which is good. But we use a battery pack now, so let's keep it. I'm gonna give it to somebody to raffle it. Let's test the machine. When you buy this, the cam wheel here is 3.5 mm. but you can change it by 3 and 4. Let's check. Using my critical battery pack. Nice. Sounds good. We're gonna test this in the future. I'm gonna make some piece using this machine. Let's see what it can do. Here's the sound. And let's test it with a cartridge. I'm gonna get some cartridge here. Let's try. Yeah, it's easy. When you're putting cartridges, it's easy. Whoa, nice. Can adjust it. By default, it's on 3.5 mm cam wheel. You can change it. Yeah, it sounds good. So that's it. That's what's included in the box. It looks good. And guys, if you want to get a 10% discount from Stigma, don't forget to click the link below with my name. What are you waiting for? Get some Stigma products and have a present for yourself this Christmas. Once again, huge thanks to Stigma family for choosing me as one of your sponsored artists. Expect some good and huge artworks from me using your products. And happy holidays to you all, to all kaalas there. And if you want to get notified, don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell. See you again and happy holidays. Thank you.